Morning everyone! We are in Schonach, Black Forest in the world, and this is the inside. You have to come in and pee. Welcome to Triberg! Wow! So close to the water. Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm taking you along on our family winter holiday adventure in the stunning Schwarzwald or Black Forest region of Germany. From the scenic drives, visiting the biggest cuckoo clock in the world, to enjoying the breathtaking waterfalls in Triberg. On top of this, we will be witnessing the colorful Karneval Parade called Faschingsumzug, which is a very old tradition in Germany. Our journey begins with a scenic drive through the winding roads of the Black Forest to the quaint town of Schonach. The views along the way are absolutely beautiful. Schwarzwald or Black Forest is a mountainous region bordering France in the southwest of Germany. It is known for its dense, evergreen forests and picturesque villages. It is often associated with the fairy tales of the Brothers Grimm. The Black Forest is famous for its spas and cuckoo clocks, which have been produced in the region since the 18th century. The largest city in the region is Freiburg, which is surrounded by vineyards. Here, visitors can admire numerous Gothic buildings. There is Schonach. Schonach is a picturesque town nestled in the heart of Black Forest. One of Schonach's claim to fame is its long-standing tradition of clockmaking. The town is home to several clockmakers who craft intricate cuckoo clocks, an iconic symbol of the Black Forest. Schonach also offers a variety of sightseeing opportunities for visitors to explore. The Triberg Waterfalls, the highest waterfalls in Germany. Additionally, the Black Forest Open Air Museum in nearby Guttach provides insight into the region's rural heritage with its collection of historic farmhouses and workshops. Nature enthusiasts will find plenty to do in and around Schonach. Hiking and biking trails crisscross the surrounding forests. In the winter months, the area transforms into a winter wonderland, offering skiing, snowboarding, and sledding. Unfortunately, this time there is no snow around, so we will see what we can do. Guys, for this holiday, we will be staying in a private holiday house here in Schonach. Hence the reason I cannot show you the house, but I guess I could share with you at least the view from the balcony. That opposite us is the Langenwald Schanze, or the ski jump. It was opened in 1924 and hosted 2 ski jumping World Cup events for ladies. Good morning, everyone. We are in Schonach, Black Forest, Schwarzwald in Germany, and I'm in front of the biggest cuckoo clock, or the Weltgrößte Kuckuckstor here in Black Forest. You have to come here towards the end of the hour when the cuckoo is coming out. We came actually just the last minute. So this is what it is around. Hello everyone, we are inside the biggest cuckoo clock in the world, and this is the inside. You have to come in and pay €2 per person to see the details, the mechanics of the clock. And this is, let's go. This is very popular in the whole world, Eric. Sehr bekannt. Die ganze Welt. On this, they're selling this here. You can buy. Beautiful. Right now, we are standing on the hill overlooking the town of Schonach. On the right side, we can see the Langwald ski jump that we saw from the balcony. This was built in 1924, and in 1935, the Black Forest Championships were held for the first time. And this is the view we see from this point of the hill. It is really unfortunate that in this winter time we don't see any snow at all. That's what you want to.
Die Hausterrasse, die Terrassenhäuser,
And now we are driving to the town of Triberg, which is just 3 kilometers away from Schonach, to visit the highest waterfalls in Germany and later on to watch the Karneval Parade. So watch out! Guys, look at here! Here I am! There! This is the town of Triberg. And if you can see below, the water. Oh my god, so exciting. Triberg is idyllically located in the southern part of the central Black Forest at an altitude of 600 to 1038 meters. In a landscape typical of the Black Forest, there is, among other things, a stop for one of the most beautiful mountain railways in Europe, the Black Forest Railway, as well as Germany's highest waterfalls in the heart of the city, which we're going to see now. Guys, look how powerful the water is. That's the Schwarzwald Black Forest Museum. So we're going in to the entrance area. So this is the entrance where you get your ticket. So guys, we got our ticket. We had a family card for 15 euro. Not so bad. Yeah. So we are walking towards the waterfalls, and this is what you see around. And from afar you can see the waterfalls. We were told that we can only go up to the first platform because further is closed for now. So there's two options here. Either you go convenient to the green side, and red is steeper, so we go this way. The challenge. We are not scared of the steepness. Welcome to Triberg. Wow. Welcome to the waterfall. Come family. na. Here is the map to have a better overview of the waterfalls. With a descent of 163 meters, the water of the river Gutak plunges over 7 major steps down into the valley. The yellow, red, and green lines are the circular walks in the area. You can check their website for more information and find the link in the description. The waterfalls are illuminated in the evening until 10 o'clock, offering a fascinating sight. Now let's take a walk around. As we were advised earlier, we could not go to the higher platforms as they are closed for now. It's really a pity that we could not see more of the waterfalls. Anyhow, we could learn about the animals, plants, and special features of the waterfall area on the descriptive boards provided. There are so many places which are closed, so we couldn't really go further. So I think we'll just go back to where the falls. So I switched to this mode now, guys, for you to see what exactly I'm seeing in front of me. So that's the falls. That's what's in front of me. So that's what we have. Unfortunately today there's no sun, so the sky is gray. You see exactly what I'm seeing. So I had to move my picture on the side so you can see. I don't know, they're passing through the barrier. No, we don't want to take that. We don't want to take that risk. So we will just stay here if you like it. So now we are going down. more.
Better food.
Yes. Why don't we walk? Yeah, yeah. We walk first there. Look at this turtle.
That's for Christine.
So guys, we are still in the city of Triberg. This city is so beautiful. At the moment it's raining. It's raining. You can see. Here now, guys, you have a better view of what is in front of me. So, it is currently raining, and if you can see, the streets are decorated with, I don't know how we call it in English, we call it banderitas in Filipino. So, we are standing here in the where the shops are, and I could see some people lining up along the street. There will be a parade. I could see also a lot of people wearing costumes. So we will see what's going to happen in this town. It's really beautiful. Waiting for the parade. We just don't know what time it's gonna start. Fasching or Carnival is a very old tradition in Germany which was originally celebrated to scare away winter spirits. After many months of frost, the old Germans were tired of winter. To spook the winter spirits, people wore scary masks. They also sang and danced in the streets to welcome the spring. Today, Carnival or Fasching is celebrated in many German cities, especially in the Rhineland-Pfalz. Carnival celebrations can last as long as 5 days in total and usually occur the week before Ash Wednesday. Some cities are even brought to a complete standstill during the noisy celebrations. The streets are usually full of people celebrating, dancing, and throwing confetti. Kids have lots of fun during Carnival because they can sing fun songs. Like the adults, kids also wear crazy and colorful costumes. They wear masks and dress up as animals, cowboys, knights, witches, or clowns, and in many other creative ways. That's so nice. Oh my god. Hello guys, the parade is almost over, and that's the German tradition at its best here in Black Forest, Germany. So it's time to go home. It was a really nice experience. So guys, the parade is over and the rain stopped. It was so beautiful. German tradition festival parade at its best here in the Black Forest, Triberg, Germany. Bye. Ooh, the sun is out after the parade. Guys, here ends our first day of adventure here in Black Forests. I hope you enjoyed watching my video and got some ideas on spending a family holiday in Black Forest, Germany. Coming up here on my channel are more videos on our Black Forest adventures. Don't miss our relaxing day in Body Paradise. It's an indoor resort and a stroll around the Lake TTC. An exciting day in a ski resort in Feldberg, and a very informative day in German Clock Museum in the town of Furtwangen. Thank you for watching, and thank you also for your support. See you in my next videos. Until then.